Right, what we're going to do now is the facial features. So there's two ways you can do it. You can actually, once you've pinned it all into place, I do give you an idea how many rows down and everything in the pattern. So what you can do is you can come from the back seam, but means coming up through your stuffing and that, which in the pattern it's step by step. I will show you another way as well. Okay, so you can actually come from the side. So you're going to come up through there, the top of this first one, that's your eye. So we're doing it in black. So just come all the way up and then make sure you pull that through. Not right through, or it'll come right through to the other side here. So then go to the other side of the pin, take out your pin, and then come out and come back in the same place that you come out, sorry, the same place that you come in. All right, so back through there. All right, so there we go, through there like that. There we go. So come back through the same hole and come back up. So you're not going to see the black, that's why you're coming through the same hole. So do that again, go back through to the side. So I've said do it, oops, it's come out. So I've said do it about 3 times. Just gives you a nice size eye. And it is important because, and just keep manoeuvring because sometimes it might just go out of shape. And just keep pulling. So again, go through that same hole. Come up. There we go, through there. And the eye's not too big then, it's just almost. And then come right up. Down there. I mean, you can make it a little bit bigger if you want to make the eye a little bit bigger, but I find that works really well. All right, so don't forget, sometimes it's a bit tough coming out because it's obviously you're going through stuffing as well. So basically, that's the eye. All right, don't pull it too tight, and then you can just manipulate it a little bit. All right, so go back through the same hole. All right, and now we're going to the other side. So we're going up to the top of that one. There we go. Just make sure you've lined them up right. And then pull that through. There we go. And then you're going to go down through there. Now you can come out at the side again. Right, so just take the pin out as we're going along. There we go. So come back through the same hole. And then you're going to go above there like that. Pull it through so you can't see the black. Again, down through the side. You can do it through the back seam, which I've said on the pattern, but some people might find this a little bit easier, so I thought I'd show you this way as well. So up through there, just manoeuvre, shall we say, because sometimes it's not easy coming through the stuffing bit, but once you get there, you're there. So let me just show you there. There we go. There we go. Then we go through back, through the side. There we go. And that is actually your eyes. So what you're going to do with the eyes, you can manipulate a little bit there. Just do that. So the best thing to do with this here now is just cut it right to the edge. There. And then just manipulate it. So it goes in. Look, you can't see it now. So now you've got your eyes. So what we're going to do now is we'll do the nose. All right, so just keep, you can just manipulate the eyes a bit. If you're not happy and you want them bigger, that's fine. You can just manipulate a little bit. So what we need to do now is we're going to do the nose. So it's going to be the same for all of them. So basically, we're going to go, you can come from the side, the back. So we're going to go to the other side of the nose, there. Keep pushing it down so we know we're all right. So that's that. Pull it right through. There we go. So go to the other side of the nose. There, pull the pin out. And then, there we go. The best way to do this, you can either go through it like that, or you could actually just go down and up. Like that. you can do it that way. Just as easy. So we've done that. So you need to do that a couple of times, all right? So, and then when you've done it a couple of times, come out the side, and then we're going to cut it. It's a nice nose there, look. So just pull them together. Make sure you've gone in there, that's it. Right, the best thing to do now, again, the same again, snip it right to the edge, and then just move it, and you've lost it. There we go, that's it. It's gone. Right, we'll now do the mouth. So again, you want the pink for Dolly. This is Molly, the dolly. So you just need the pink for the mouth. So all we're going to do, again, we can come through the side. So basically, this is how you're going to do the mouth. So you start from that side there, pull it right through, and then you're just going to stitch along. You can do 3, you can do 4. It's just giving you an idea. So what you need to do here is, if you don't want it as big, the mouth, big stitches, you can do smaller stitches. So again, just put it down, just come out there like that. There we go. Then go back in through the same place you've come out. And then we're going to come up to the next bit, yeah. The mouth, the facial expressions are so important. That's why we need to just manipulate a little bit and just make sure that we're happy with everything. So pull that through, yeah. And then go to the next bit there. You can take the pin out as you're going along. It just helps with the pins, to be fair. So then you can come out at the side. Just take that pin out. You see? Oh, looking like a nice mouth. The mouth makes a difference, I assure you. So, right, we're going to come back through there. There we go. So we're going to do another one here. So, just there. Again, come through. Don't make sure you're not pulling it too tight as well, because it'll pull the mouth right in and you don't want that. So then you're going to come through the same hole and come up. And you're just slightly going up there for the next pin, just to give her a bit of a smile. So then you're just going to go to there. So take the pin out, just makes it easy for you. And then again, come down the side through there. Just move it up. And just play with it a bit, the mouth. If you're not happy, you can just move it about. But that's a nice mouth, that. So again, you're going to cut it at the side there, right down, and you're going to manipulate it so that that pink goes in. There we go. So that face is perfect. I'm happy with that face. What you need to do is just play around with it. If you're not happy, you can change it a little bit, but that's basically all it is. We're now at the stage of putting the hair on.